Hey, Philip here, aka Sharp Shaver for the Razor Company. Let's talk about shaving. Alright, today we're going to be shaving with Cella. I got the trifecta, the soap, aftershave balm, and aftershave splash. Really soothing shave this is. I'm going to be using a Parker Solar Edge with a Tatara blade. I've already got it preloaded. So, and then I'm going to be using a timeless brush with a Tuxedo knot. And most of these products you'll be able to find, or almost all of the products you'll be able to find at the Razor Company. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna try this. Try a little different this time. I'm not gonna do it in a bowl. I'm just gonna do it in a puck. I'm gonna face lather. Just dry brush. Got some on the brush, and as you can see, completely dry. I've got to fill up my sprayer with water today. So, all right. Then I figured out, in order for this to work, you have to dip the brush down in the water just a little bit if you're going to face lather this way. And this has become one of my favorite ways to face lather now. Going back down, get a little bit more water. I mean, look at that. Oh, I'm about to get my eye on that one. Okay. Going to go on with the first pass. And this is probably one of my favorite single edge razors. And with this razor, you get your bang for your buck on this. It's fairly inexpensive. I mean, I think the razor is like less than 40 bucks, 40 or 50 bucks before shipping. And a lot of times if you order enough, you get free shipping. And there's always some blades or something you can get. Yeah, it's pretty. Oh my. And it's easy though. Yeah, there we go. There we go. All right. I'm going to rinse and I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, let's go on with the second pass. Maybe I got enough water. Yeah, I need to fill that up. You just get the extra lather out of your brush. I don't think I cut myself, it's just... All right. I'm gonna rinse my hands off for a second. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go across the grain. That's pretty good, 2 passes. All right, I'm gonna rinse my face and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my balm. Oh, about that much. All right, let's give that just a second. Going to use my Parasso alum block. Yeah, this stuff's really good. If you don't have Cella, everyone needs Cella in their den. This is a must-have. It doesn't break the bank. It's a great shave. And it's just really good. Got a couple of blemishes that I caught with my razor. Yeah, I really like this new technique with the doing the balm, then the alum block. It's really made my skin feel a whole lot better. The moisturizing and everything. And I always like to go in and dry my block off. Give it a few seconds. But yeah, everybody needs Cella. And the variety of knots that you can get from the razor company is just unheard of. The Pure Bliss, the Neo Tuxedo, the G5C. They've got variety of badger knots. And what's cool about this brush is you can actually change the knot on each for whatever knot you want. All right, I'm going to rinse. All right, now I'm going to go in with the aftershave splash. Feel the burn, but that's all right. It's a good burn. Not a bad 2-pass BBS shave. All right, I think I'm gonna call that a shave right there. That's a good shave. You can hit me up on Instagram, SharpShaver76, or on YouTube, SharpShaver-76. Stay sharp, stay shaven, and we'll see you on the next one.